In the previous video, we configured GLPI to automatically assign tickets to individual technicians. However, in a professional IT environment, tickets should be routed to a group, not just one person. In this video, I'll show you how to configure GLPI to automatically assign tickets to a group based on the selected category. This is the ticket workflow based on categories. If a user selects hardware, such as PC, laptop, or printer, the ticket is automatically routed to the hardware group, where the team members will handle it. Similarly, if software is selected, like Windows or Office, the ticket goes to the software group. This way, we assign tickets by team specialization, instead of assigning them directly to one individual. Alright, now let's verify the account information. Here, I'll clearly define the responsibility for each team. IT1 and IT2 will handle hardware-related. Meanwhile, IT3 and IT4 will be responsible for software-related. Now we will create the corresponding groups for each responsibility area. Specifically, I'll create a group for hardware named grp-Hardware and another group for software named grp-Software. This naming convention makes it easier to manage, distinguish, and configure automation rules later on. After creating the groups, we'll add the IT accounts to their corresponding groups as previously defined. Specifically, IT1 and IT2 will be added to grp-Hardware, while IT3 and IT4 will be added to grp-Software. This ensures that when a ticket is assigned to a group, its members can see and handle it. Alright, after configuring the groups, we'll move on to configuring the categories section. Here, we'll configure each category one by one. I'll start with hardware. In the previous video, we assigned a specific technician using the Technician in Charge field. However, when assigning by group, we will leave the Technician in Charge field unselected. Next, in the Group in Charge section, we'll select the corresponding group we defined earlier. For example, for the hardware category, I'll choose grp-Hardware. We'll follow the same process for the remaining categories. Simply select the appropriate group in charge for each category. The rule is simple: each category should route to its corresponding group. Alright, we've now completed the configuration for assigning tickets by group. From now on, when a user creates a ticket and selects a category, the system will automatically route it to the appropriate group. Next, we'll create a test ticket to verify that everything is working correctly. Now I'll create a test ticket related to hardware. Here, I'll select a category under hardware, for example, PC, or printer. After submitting the ticket, we'll check whether it is automatically assigned to the grp-Hardware group. After creating the ticket, we can see that it has been automatically assigned to the correct group. At the same time, the ticket status is marked as processing. So we've successfully configured automatic ticket assignment by group in GLPI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episodes in the GLPI series. See you in the next video.